Hey guys, how's it going? We know it's a tough year for everyone, but we are here to make it productive by providing knowledge and entertainment. So, let's dive into the video. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece way back in 776 BCE. There is only one event, a sprint of 200 meters. The winning runner was a male cook called Coroebus. The prize for athletes back then, along with a great fame, was a worth of olive leaves and a statue of them placed at Olympia. At that time, Olympics were held every 4 years for over 12 centuries, and now, to resecure the athletic traditions, the first modern Olympics were held in 1896 in Greece. And now, let us look at some facts about the Olympics, and here we go. There are 5 rings on Olympic logo. They represent the 5 competing continents which exclude Antarctica. The 6 colors blue, yellow, black, green, red and white were chosen for the background of the logo because every nation's flag contains at least one of them. The following sports are not part of Olympics anymore. These are tug of war, chariot racing, running plus wearing armor, jumping plus holding weights, etc. The age of the youngest Olympic competitor was 10. He was a Greek gymnast called Dimitrios who competed in 1896. And the age of the oldest Olympic medal winner was 72, who is a Swedish shooter Oskar Swan, who won silver in 1920. Despite the popular belief that the gold medal is composed of pure gold, this hasn't been the case since the 1912 Olympics. Today's Olympic gold medal is an imposter made almost entirely with silver with approximately 6 grams of gold, which weighs 556 grams. The modern Olympics were cancelled only thrice, once during World War I in 1916 and twice during World War II in 1940 and 1944. The country to win the most Winter Olympic medals is Norway with almost 300. The US has won in excess of 2,400 Summer Olympic medals, more than any other country. When we talk about India, Indian athletes have won 28 medals, all at Summer Games, of which 9 are gold, 7 are silver and 12 are bronze. For a period of time, Indian national field hockey team was dominant in Olympic competition, winning 11 medals in 12 Olympics between 1920 and 1980. And when we talk of recent years, we have got 8 champions. In 2012 London Olympics, Vijay Kumar got silver for shooting, Sushil Kumar also got silver for wrestling, Saina Nehwal got bronze for badminton, Mary Kom also got bronze for boxing, Gagan Narang also got bronze for shooting. And in 2016 Rio Olympics, PV Sindhu got silver for badminton, Sakshi Malik got bronze for wrestling. These are sports which comes under Summer Olympic category and these come under Winter Olympic category. And that's all for this video. Make sure to be a regular customer of our general store for more interesting videos. Namaste.